Hey everybody, this is a really quick customer service video so we don't get any surprises from anyone that doesn't watch the videos. Our packaging is for protection, it's not for good looks. We don't waste money on packaging, we recycle, reuse everything that's been sent to us. So better for the environment, it's better for the money side of things, and it's better for the protection. So all the goods, everything in the injector kit, all genuine OEM parts, sourced and checked. We unpack and check every single component and repack it so that a package like this can get thrown around and you can play soccer with it. Australia Post can do what they want with it, and it's going to get to you without any damage. Same thing as what's been happening for over 10 years. I've said in the videos before, we don't pack it for good looks, we pack it for protection, and that's what this is. So when your package turns up like this, don't go, oh, this looks a bit dodgy. Just once you unpack it very carefully with your knife there, before you cut something by accident, slow down, and you'll see all the goods are absolutely beautiful. Don't forget then to join the VIP group. We can only supply injector kits to everybody in Australia. And join the VIP group. It's on Facebook. Remember to answer the 3 questions and watch all the videos and check all the posts in there and gather your information before you get started. That's what it looks like on averages. Sometimes it's better than that. This is probably one of the worst looking ones, but I don't really care what it looks like. Recycled cardboard, bada bing, bada boom. Thanks for watching. If you keep watching the videos, you're winning. Save money, keep it reliable. Catch you on the next one.